Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. This is the 8th of September 2023. As you can see, I'm looking for system B buy, which I'm taking the buy now. Let me set my take profit. As you can see, the market gapped, so I'm trying to, take advantage of the opportunity here. And yeah, this is the account that we started with $250. Let me just, so I showed the history more. We started this account with $250, okay? In total, as you can see, we've made $10,000 in withdrawal. Okay, I'm expecting more withdrawal soon. We had a hedge the last time. I had to hedge out $3,000, but I didn't record it. And in total, we've made over almost $50,000 in profits. Remember, guys, I said once we make another $50,000 in profits, I'll be making another $10,000 withdrawal, and I'll record that for you guys. Remember, if you want to buy the course to learn how I do what I do, because I will not only just teach you, I'll be taking live trades like this with you. Go to hedgingmastermind.com, get any of the courses, and it comes with the software for free. And what does the software do? It tells you when to buy, when to sell, basically does all the analysis, and all you have to do is sit down, wait for the alerts, and buy or sell when it tells you to buy or sell, and set your exits where it tells you to exit. And my exit strategy is hedging, as you can see. Hopefully we don't have any hedges soon, because I don't like wasting my time. I just want to go straight into profit. However, when you're hedging, you lose nothing, and it helps you compound your account very fast, which is my secret for growing this account fast. If you want to copy my trades, sign up with Mega Markets, link in the description below, and send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 to connect to my account. We'll be right back when we're into more profits. Like, share, and subscribe. As you can see, this is my phone. I had to hedge out that last trade, and as you can see, we went into $5,400 loss, but it's being fully hedged out, even with some profits. And yeah, I had to do it on my phone because I'm not home, and I'll be right back on my mobile to record. I'll be right back home to record the trade on my PC. All right, guys, and we're back. As you can see, it's I had to hedge out that trade. I did it on my phone. I screen recorded it for you guys. Even though we hedged out of this trade, we still came out with over $400 profit on this hedging trade. This is what I teach at hedgingmastermind.com. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. Don't waste your time. Don't dull yourself. Stop using stop losses. Hedging is the best way to grow your account. Even while you're hedging, you don't have to hedge out to break even. You can still make some profits. This is the only way you will ever have a consistent account. There's nobody that is using stop loss that can show you a pure account history and trade live in front of you. The hedge funds are using hedging. The big boys who are trading billions are using hedging. This is what you should do. If you want to test my software for free, sign up with Mega Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account. If you want to copy my trades, sign up with Mega Markets to make sure you have at least $350 to $500 in your account, and send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram, and then you'll get the software or you'll be connected to my account. And when I'm trading those accounts, it will be low risk system B trades. With that being said, we'll be right back when we're into another trade in the market or more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe.